What's the meaning of cadmium? Cadmium. Cadmium.
Cadmium. Cadmium. Cadmium is a chemical element with the symbol Cd and atomic number 48. It is a soft, bluish-white metal that is commonly used in batteries, pigments, coatings, and plating. However, cadmium is toxic to humans and can cause serious health problems such as lung damage, kidney damage, and cancer. Exposure to cadmium occurs primarily through inhalation of contaminated air or ingestion of contaminated food and water sources. To prevent these health problems, individuals should avoid prolonged exposure to cadmium and take necessary precautions when handling materials containing cadmium.